got orders to fill. I got balls to build. I got the rights to growl. And they give me hell back in Hades. Hey, little songbird, got your tongue. Always a pity for one so pretty and young. When poverty comes to claim your wings, and the wind riding out your lungs, carried on by the seas on empty.
Strings and chorus, strange man. I wanna fly down and feed that sand. I want a nice soft place to land. I wanna lie down.
Hey, little songbird, you got something on. You shine like a diamond down in the mine, and the choice is yours if you're willing to choose. Seeing as you've got nothing to lose, and I could use a canary.
Suddenly, nothing is as it was. Where are you now? Oh, yes. Was it gonna be the two of us? Weren't we for nothing?
Hey, little songbird, let me guess. He's some kind of poet, and he's reckless. Give him your hand, he'll give you his hand to mouth. He'll write the poem when the power is out. Hey, why not fly south for the winter? Hey, little songbird, look all around you. See how the vipers and vultures surround you, and they'll take you down, they'll pick you clean. If you stick around such a desperate scene, see people get mean when the chips are down.